Shut up. New surfboard. No, it's a surfboard.
Hello, it's like that.
What?
Di ba we ordered gray?
Yeah.
Oh.
I can't tell what color it is.
Oh. What?
Screws falling out.
Wrong color.
Shut up.
Where is he? Huh? It's fine. Wrong color. Ang order namin gray. Kasi ang option gray, white, and this. So gray ang kinuha namin. Ilabas mo na yun. Ayan na. Sige.
After all that issue, it's still the wrong damn color.
Uh-huh.
Step 1, install the entire part. How is that step 1? First thing I like to do is get things ready. Put these little pieces where they go. We know they'll go in there.
Brown dito. Ayun.
Can I have one of those little ones? Got the plastic on it so you don't go too far. Can't put too many in there.
Magkano? Wala? Pagkira niya?
Tagpiso.
Sorry.
Tagpiso kay may dali na ayuda.
May ayuda. Ay, diba? Ah, wow! It's too small.
Emang mo good mo. Kumuha lagi
Hindi mo pala
busog.
ilalagay yung ano.
Ubus mo kayo ubo may dongero. Wara diyan nagbubutan.
Nasa na naman yun?
Ha?
Naupay. Pag-ikot sila.
Hindi, kung panghugasan tatat.
Sige na, yan na nanin.
Ayaw na yun na ito namin.
Ha?
Ayaw na ito kay kupan ko nga dito.
Yan na. Yan na. Nabuka nga hugas pala nila.
Ano ito?
Di pa kami nangangaon.
Hanap ubo.
Tidak.
Tangan ka dulu gitak mga dugnik.
Nagaya ng mga suka-suka.
Yucks, ew.
Kaya natin ka tayo nga tiles. Kuan mo ko sa natin.
Cabinet.
One here and then one there.
May buta sa gilid. An-order namin gray. Dumating ini.
sure you hit the hole.
Give,
Be careful. Make sure you get it in the right hole.
yun na lang ako. Mamaya, di ko ma-hit yung hole. Bambuhin pa ako yun.
Ay, nakakasama.
Should be able to feel it.
Ah, palay. Ayan na, na-feel ko na.
You can't feel them. Pull it away. It will.
Oh, yeah.
Push down on it. You gotta lift it up when you do that. Got all of them over there? What do you need?
I don't know.
You get 2 on this?
Yep. Uy,
Somebody?
wala.
Take your time.
Ah, good spot.
Para sa sigurado. Sure na siya.
Reach.
Yun sa bahay ng galing natin. For videos purpose.
Nabudog.
Wala. Hindi na ko ginagasit color kayo. Mali ba? Kita doon pagbubuhat.
Hindi ako na ito. Sa pagkakari Romania. Para direct pagkakakoy. Kapag pinunas ko na siya.
Yung malit ang cabinet yung sa video namin. Para sa kanya, ito sa Ha?
Pwede na di, ano, di?
Oo. Oo, di na namin re-respect. Nasaan yung picture niya?
I don't need that.
Mhm.
You still don't get it yet, do you?
Yeah, this one waits for. How do I tell you?
For what?
This one, 1, 2, 3.
What do you think they are?
The cover.
I don't know.
Patingin nga, ano pa itsura?
These are not covers.
To add more? Ah, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ganun, ganon. So, matangkad.
Pwede po kayo may ace ko na.
Oo, 1, 2, 3. So, ano pa? Ayan, no? na ito. Kasi dadagdagan pa. Hala.
Adi naman.
Pag kita nga ni kinambrot ito. Oy. Ayan, ganyan pala tsura nito.
Who needs pictures?
Oh. What?
Who needs pictures?
Me.
Well, that's because you're a diamond.
Wala ko. Matibay man ano. Mga isang taon to. Sabi na.
Mama, di rin nakalay.
Wow. Taki daw.
Brightness.
Naramang kita kay bahay bumalik. Bumalik ito.
Oo.
Ito parang yung hini. Ito pa maangalan mo.
Sulig na naman ni brother. Sulig na naman.
Today. Pwede na. Pwede na mag-aral.
Music na yun. Wala, baby. Wala.
Okay. It's her cabinet.
Ayan. Wala, sige. Wala. Parang diri ka daw. Ha? Joke lang.
Bang along. Set this aside for a second. Push that back.
Okay. Double side. Kakabit siya na kayo. Pag-iubos na nga. Dito din. Meron ko lang kung wala nang mangyayari.
Drill will fit in here.
Hello, with spin. There's a handle for that.
Nope.
Okay.
Stand that up out of the way.
Okay. Buta ka dito.
Just while we do this.
Yes. So,
Now this goes on there. These holes on the bottom should line up with that.
yan na, Chinese chicken tong kailangan. We need Chinese chicken. This is our... Boy. Hala? Ha? Hindi. Okay lang yan. It's fine.
That's even. My wife, not even.
Ating
Done. Are you done? Lift it up. Let's see what you got.
Ala! I know. Okay. So, dito yung loading station mo.
There you go.
Ano yun? Gawas?
Ala.
Good job, Ned.
But, look.
Ayun.
Look what?
It's not level.
Yeah, that's what all those little boards are going to be for.
Ayun. Sige, pag ano mo yan. Pag...
Di ada kaya. Tidak. Sobra. Anay. Tidak.
Hindi.
Hmm?
Sige, yan ang dapat mong anuhan. Lagyan. Ganyan.
Sige nga.
Kind of like the fridge. It's kind of like this, so you may need one in the front. And then some in the back, you know?
Sa front ang kailangan mo.
You see how the front's not touching? Because this is the only board in front. There's no back board. You understand?
So, what we're gonna do?
Oh, you may want to run one this way.
Pag ganun. Kasi yan yung walang laman.
Ito one?
Sige, try mo. Sige, try mo yung ganun.
Paano ba?
Yeah, like that.
Sige daw.
Sige, bitawan mo. Ano? That's better.
One thing you could do, and put one of those nails here on this, and go from here into here.
Iraraysa.
Would nail those into it. Once you know how they should fit, then you break them and nail them in the bottom.
And then, from to the floor?
No, into the woods. Tanga.
How? Like
You lay this down and you nail the wood into the bottom of it.
Okay.
Kind of like you did that backer stuff.
Okay.
But you don't need all the extra. You just break off the extra.
Good.
There you go.
Okay, next. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
Diba? Start like that.
Yeah, that's how it was. Just like that. That's what gave it the slant that it needed.
So what I'm gonna use?
Nails.
Nasaan na yung nails na iba?
I'll get a couple more out.
How about here? I will...
I would put a couple in it. Make sure you're going straight. Don't want to break through the front.
Okay. So this one, this can here lang.
Yeah.
But how about this? Here.
Yeah, you'll put one in both.
Okay. Sige, tagi.
Just like you did the other one. Dua. Just remember, don't put it on top of the other nail or it won't go through.
Yeah. Hawak-hawak ka na. Uh-oh.
Ay.
Yep. No. I think it's fine.
Is it?
Yep. Oh, isa pa. Another one.
Just one more right there.
Flashlight.
Straight.
Natamaan ko yung camera.
Hmm?
What if I hit the camera?
Insurance.
Insurance.
Uh-oh. And actually,
Ano?
if you hit it, it would probably just break this,
Okay na?
and this just screws off. Ugh.
Maria Jose, por ahí está doing it.
Now slide it back in place, and it should be the way you want it. Lift, lift.
Ano?
Hala.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay.
Kana na yung basura dito luyo.
That's my tanga.
Dito yung may ikon, may pintuan.
Hindi, ubos na.
Aw, okay.
It's okay. It's not ugly. Oh, but at least.
You could always just
Andi da. Ito da.
tap that out if you wanted and start over.
Like that.
Adi pa.
It's okay.
Okay. Is she fine with it? That's all that matters.
Adi kay suruan man dali. Buti.
How do your doors work?
Ano na? Oh, di pa?
Tama na.
Oh.
Ready mo lang to.
Now, what about your
Di
doors?
na, tututut may
Ha?
tiles. Kadito, katulad may tiles.
It's too tight. Ana.
Too tight?
Yeah.
Okay.
I broke it.
Did you really?
Para di rin makuha mo kung pagbukas.
But sometimes it's good to hinge the door.
See, it's this piece. That's what lets it sticks out.
And how about this? Tiga, yeah, okay na to lang. Kaysa,
Okay. Oo. Okay. Oo. Ayoko na lang
Easiest
dito.
grabbing here.
Oo. No.
It's okay.
Oo. Ayos
Cheap
lang.
crap.
Wala.
Ano man. Okay. Tapos lagyan
Ta-da!
mo ng
Di ba pwede na pagsun? Ano yun?
Piece of crap is finished.